God, it's not a really hot day.
Good girl, give it a go, Lucky. Give it a go. No.
It's too steep, isn't it? Roasted.
Oh, thanks. Just going to use the strap. It's very slippery and very thick.
Lucky, come on, hurry up. Don't go any further.
She won't go
Get up
anywhere.
here.
She's not going to go anywhere.
Come on. Go on, up you go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Come on. You can do it. Don't go back down.
No good going around. Wait till we get down there.
Come on, baby. Do it. Get your ball low. Get your ball, honey. Come on, you can do it. Go. Come on. Come on. Come on, up here. Come on, Lucky. On the ledge. Walk up on the ledge. Daddy's coming, sweetheart. Stay there, Dad's coming. Daddy's coming down. Got the leash with you? Come on. No. Lucky, no. Leave the ball alone. You get up on the ledge, honey. Go and have a rest in the car, honey. Come on. Not if we're getting down there, you can get back up. Here where he got. No, Lucky! No! Shit. I'm trying to please. baby. She can't get up. Get back legs as well. Jump. Good girl. Well done. Good girl. Well done. Come on. Come here, baby. Come on. Go closer to Daddy. Come on. Yes. No! Rocky! Go to Daddy. Come on.
Yeah, I can see myself, but I don't think the camera can.
Come on.
It's a bit overexposed, but I don't think it will go up here. Maybe not. Is that the end of the word?
Yeah, you happy? I can make it a bit longer with another one if you want. Just come back up this way a bit.
Further.
I've locked my exposure. I'm not sure. I could probably extend this on.
that it? Yep.
This has got zoom on it. Mine doesn't. Have you got it? You could go down that way.
Oh, there's all excitement and that.
Yeah, they're going to
Get it back up.
That's going to be a challenge, isn't it? Has he got the dog?
Yeah.
Yes, he has. Oh, okay. He's got the dog. Oh, good. Oh, bless. Come here. We might have to all pull together. Might have to get to that, yeah. You thought we'd have a peaceful afternoon, didn't you? Sort of. Oh, okay. That's right.
You won't go and go.
You never know when that's exactly right. Especially when you're so far away from anywhere. There's no phones like you.
Why have you got all them for anyway, Ken?
Eh?
Why have you got all them for anyway?
Come to good
Hey?
news today.
Tying things down.
Oh, to time things down.
Oh, to rescue dogs.
And to rescue dogs. I thought you took all that on the motorbike.
Thanks so much. No worries. I can see why she didn't want to come up and it's slipping as well.
Yeah.
Where's Balder?
How are you going to...